Alright, now welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi Correct Pidgin, and it's 9 with the do. And you know as they do, and for these 60 seconds with Femi, we dey look everything where they happen for the world of sport with our better Nigeria pidgin language now they do. And this morning, I hope so now watch Arsenal versus Liverpool game. Now correct match with that, because Arsenal, oh boy, it be like say this season, this is Emery ball where they play, the ball go well. Arsenal just they pass the ball. Like say now them buy the ball from house, carry come stadium. Liverpool said they don't fit play the same way wey dem dey play, and now people don dey fear. So boy, this Liverpool attack, this Firmino, this Salah and this Sadio Mane, e be like say something dey worry this attack. Say e be like say their coach wey be Jurgen Klopp, him go carry kola nut go village go beg. Even Mohamed Salah, he suppose go see him grandmother, because you know say you get some kind of people wey go touch you, your life go dey better. Since Sergio Ramos touch Salah, Salah no fit dribble again, Salah no fit score goal, Salah no fit do anything. So I just dey wonder how you see that Liverpool and Arsenal game. The game go well, or you think say e get some things wey your club Arsenal or your club Liverpool go do make their title contention dey better?